Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will learn shallow single crochet stitch. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. Crochet hook I am using is of 4 mm. Here I make my slip knot, and after slip knot make any number of chain crochet stitches depending upon your project, whatever you need. Make any number of chain crochet stitches. Here I am making only a tutorial purpose video, so I am just making 11 chain crochet stitches. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Once we are done with the chain crochet stitches, leave first stitch after current loop on the needle, and from second stitch we will start making one single crochet stitch in each single stitch till end. Okay, just leave first stitch after the current loop on the needle, and from second stitch we will start making one single crochet stitch till the end of the line. I'll just complete this line and I'll show you. We are done making stitches till the last stitch. Now we will just make a chain crochet stitch and we will turn a crochet work. And now we turn a crochet work. Now see, for now a shallow single crochet stitch starts. So that stitch we are going to make, see points I'm showing you. Can you see those round thread, round loop? Just below that we have to make all our stitches. See, in every stitch you will see that round loop. Yeah, just below that we have to make a stitch. See, I'm showing you through needles. I'm sorry, through needle I'm showing you, I'm pointing out where we have to do. Just look carefully. That round is there, round loop. Below that, see, below that we'll insert a needle and make a single crochet stitch. Now you need to pull that loop quite longer. So for next stitches it is good. And you can look at the design. Design is quite visible. If you take it quite small, then the design is not that good. See, stretch it quite longer as you can, not too much, but you understand it well. See that round one, and below that we are making a stitch. Stretch it longer, make a single crochet stitch. See, round one, below that we will insert a needle, uh, grab the yarn, pull through, stretch it longer and make a single crochet stitch. Same process we are going to do. First I will complete it till end and I'll show you the rest. Actually it is same, you're not nothing different is there. Now each row we are going to do same means exactly same. End of the row we will just make a chain crochet stitch and turn a crochet work, and again we will do the same. Okay, see the round, and below that we insert a needle and grab the yarn, pull through, stretch it long and make a single crochet stitch. Now always remember to take this last stitch or else your stitches will go on decreasing. Okay, so this is how it looks. Make a chain crochet, turn a crochet work and again do the same, And always remember to take the last stitch. I'll complete 4-5 rows and like I'll show you, so you will get a better idea of the design of the crochet stitch pattern. Shallow crochet single crochet stitch pattern. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. So this is how a shallow single crochet stitch looks like. Quite easy, simple, but it can anything can be made quite easily with this stitch. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha. I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos, plus already many videos are already there on my YouTube channel. So please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.